I am unboxing the Micro Squeeze water filtration system by Sawyer. I have the bigger one, but I wanted this one because it's smaller and does the same amount of gallons as its brother, the big one. And you can put this right onto a smart water bottle, which I forgot to bring with me, so we're hanging down here at camp. And my dog Charlie's getting into stuff. Believe it or not, I got 6 dogs in this camper right now. But we came down here for a little retreat for the night to hang out, and I thought I'd unbox a few things, so I'm gonna start. Unbox this Micro Squeeze Sawyer. I had to cut the tabs because I do it one-handed, but ignore the dogs in the background. They're out there setting up their hammocks for the night to try out their winter gear. This is kind of a test run day. We're just playing around, but so let's open her up. Like I said, I had to cut these tabs off. Let's open it up, see what's inside, and there's your filter. You see it's got the gasket there and a screw on top, so you can screw it right on top of like a smart water bottle instead of playing around with the bags. So there's your filter with the cap, and this is probably, when I go, this is probably the thing I'm going to take with me. I think it's really all you need, I'd imagine. But I got a cup of Medaglia d'Oro Instant Espresso. That always goes with me. So we've got a squeeze system filtration bag. There's a bag, and it just screws right on. So to give you an extra gasket. If you lose this, I imagine you could go and get like a garden hose gasket at a hardware store. I would look there first. And a syringe to clean with. Not entirely sure what that's for. It's probably an adapter. And we've got a cap. I'm not sure that's for that's for this. Yeah. Cap is for this. And then we got a straw. Bet these aren't legal in I bet this pack isn't legal in California. And we got our directions. I'll take a picture of directions and post them with this video. And that's about it. There's not too exciting. But this is going to replace my bigger Sawyer that I have. Looking forward to use that. I mean, we're not camping until the spring. But we'll get a lot of use out of this, for sure. And stay tuned. I mean, I make a lot of trucking videos because I'm a truck driver, but come here in the spring and the fall, the spring, the summer, and fall, we're going to do some hiking and camping. There you go. The Sawyer Micro Squeeze. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.